Okay, here we are in Google Classroom, and we're going to go to classwork and find our 03 infographic. I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to open and view the instructions. Um, Here is a checklist of things that you need for this. But we're also going to look at the rubric. So if I go here, content, reason, and explanation. So whatever subject you did for your slideshow, it would be very easy if you used that for this because you've already done the research for it. So you have 4 to 5 clear content points, like clear reasons for whatever it's about. You have 3 points about your topic, 2 to 3, but the explanations are unclear. Then let's go down to organization and layout. The information is organized into clear sections with headings. Um, Meets, sections, and headings are mostly clear, and then it's not organized well. Um, you know, it's confusing. Then we're visual design and readability. Easy to read, that means like easy fonts. It's not crowded. It has it's visually consistent, like you're using not every color of the rainbow, but colors that work well together. A little crowded, hard to see. If it's too tiny or the background is too busy, you need to keep it in mind that you want people to, be able to read it. Okay, use of graphics and icons. Okay, graphics and icons match the ideas. So, like if you did something about money or games, careers, pets, your graphics should be about that, even if you have to upload. If you have to upload, that's fine. Most of the time, though, for an infographic, they are just general like icons. But if you can't find anything that works, you could upload an image. Most graphics match the idea and support the message. Um, some seem random. So, make sure your graphics support your information. Creativity and effort. It says shows a lot of effort and originality in layout, wording, looks polished. This is where sometimes I forget to put this in the rubric. If you have lots of misspelled words, if you don't have correct capitalizations, things like that, there probably won't be very many sentences on your, because this is more like a poster. You're not writing, a research paper. But if you do use a sentence, please put, punctuation on it. Just check the spelling. That's what, and you need to be creative, but I want to see your effort in having it be grammatically correct. Okay, so I'm not sure how yours will look when you open it, but I'm going to try to take you through it anyway. So this is a nice open infographic page. You can click edit page and start right away on you can add content. We could add um, photos. Elements is where you need probably to stay. But anyway, you can completely work in here. Um, but you can also, if you'd rather, you can do a template. Oh, there's the background colors. Okay, but let's go down to the template. And really, what you need to look for is an infographic. So just search infographic, and there's so many. So here's some. You could use any of these. This one looks interesting. This one looks interesting. Okay, so I'm going to add it as a page. And so that just gives me, I can delete this one or I can leave it there in case I want to, try something else, but I guess I'll just delete it right now. So here's this. So you're going to put your title, but you can change everything about a template. Okay, so if I click on any part of it, here's all of the layers. And for creativity, change change some of the colors. If you go with the template, make it yours. Um, Change the text. I mean, of course, what it says, but also change the, font. See how you like um, different fonts. That's not very readable, but I just changed it. And then for images, when you click on it, it'd be lovely if it took you to other images similar to that, but it just gives you can just change like the color and stuff. So for an infographic, you really need icons. So let's go to add content. And do you see how media is photos and videos? But elements where it's got shapes and backgrounds and stickers, those are the icons. So um, if you wanted to, an icon of school, um, down here we have a lot of icons. Those kind of match what the what a infographic is. So then I could just take that, replace it. Oops. So you get what I mean. It's not that you can't use anything else. However, icons are what infographics use. If you wanted to use like a uh, sticker, that would be okay too. But try to stick with things that look like an infographic. All right. And then when you're done, make sure that not only do you click turn in, that you share the link and put it into Google Classroom so that I can grade it.